Hello and welcome back to the Okeechobee Library channel. I'm Araceli and today we are showing you another kid-friendly recipe. Today's recipe is the candy bird's nest recipe. So for this you will need a Rice Krispie treat, a green apple Tootsie candy, a knife, and some jelly beans. Okay, so once you've unwrapped your Rice Krispie treat, the first thing you're gonna do is flatten it out. So I'm gonna use the wrapper for that, and I'm just gonna put that on top and then use my hands to smush it down. So then after that, you just have like a flat little square, and you're gonna use your hands to form it into a circle and scoop it out so that it looks like a little bird's nest. Alright, so when you're done, it should look a little bit like that. Next, you're going to take your green apple Tootsie Roll and you're going to flatten that out as well. So next, you're going to take your knife and cut that into strips. So you should then have long pieces like that. Next, you're gonna bring back your Rice Krispie treat that looks like a bird's nest and lay the strips in it. All right, so that is what it'll look like after you've laid the strips in there. And lastly, we're just gonna add the jelly beans to make it look like a bird's nest. All right, and then your Rice Krispie treat bird's nest recipe is complete. All right, so that is how you make the bird's nest recipe. I hope you enjoy eating it at home. And don't forget to check back on our channel for more fun at-home crafts, more kid-friendly recipes, STEM projects, and book and movie recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!